My name is Dave, and I had a full restoration done here by Dr. Thompson at New Smile.
Dave is a person who is so kind and sweet that smiling should be a part of his everyday life, but for many years it wasn't. He had a terrible bite. They were tilted at wrong angles that were causing the teeth to literally break off when he would chew. He had severe decay issues. He began to grow his mustache long to hide it. He was hiding his teeth, and he worked in a customer service area where he was interacting with potential customers every day, and he talked to me about the problem that was for him and trying to go out and represent his company and sell the product when he was afraid to even open his mouth. And in customer service, that can be a life-changing problem. It can destroy someone's career. And it was doing that for Dave.
I tell this to my children all the time. Brush, floss, and take care of your teeth every night, every day. I didn't have a good habit of that. I was in a home with some people, and the little girl was there. And then all of a sudden she goes, "Mommy, his teeth on the bottom are really missing down. He's a problem." And the lady's like, "Honey, be quiet. Don't talk about that right now." You know what I mean? It was almost unbearable. And at that point, I knew I had to go do something with my teeth.
Through a combination of crowns and implants, we developed a plan for him to give him a perfect smile. And now he can function, he can eat, he can bite off a sandwich, he can eat corn on the cob, he can eat whatever he wants, and he can smile whenever he wants.
I am extremely grateful to be able to smile and eat and be normal in my mouth. And everywhere I went, there's, "Wow, Dad," or "Wow, honey, that looks awesome." So it's pretty exciting to feel good about yourself.
I love doing what I do, and Dave's a perfect example of why I love being a dentist, because freedom is something we prize here in America, being free to do the things that we want to do, but Dave wasn't able to do the things he wanted to do because his teeth was holding him back, and so we freed him from that and made his teeth now something that he can just show off and enjoy and not have to worry about. And not only does it look good, it looks amazing.